Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's December 7th, so I want to do an update on my indoor hydroponic setup using my 2 for $12 bins at Walmart and yogurt cups. And this is a Vienna romaine, absolutely unbelievable romaine. Look at it, it's just growing up through the lights. Over here we have some Bok Choi, and I'm gonna reach down and pick one here because I'm gonna give it to the fish. But this is a single Bok Choi leaf grown under lights, and I mean this is quite remarkable. With this kind of growth, as you can see, it's time for me to raise up the lights so they don't start burning. And then up here above is 2 containers that we've been picking on. We've had 2 or 3 very, very heavy pickings, which provide huge dinner salads for 2 people for, I guess we've done 3, maybe 4 meals just off the second picking. And they're also getting up in the lights, but I can't raise these lights, so I'm going to have to pick this lettuce pretty hard before it starts burning. And I wanted to show you how this stuff is doing. I'll try and put down in the bottom. I think these have been here about 4.5 weeks, and we've been eating on them for a week, so it's about 3 weeks from putting in a fair-sized plant to be able to start eating huge meals off of them. So I'm going to get these lights moved, and then I'll show you what they look like once the lights get adjusted upward. And here's how it looked after I moved the lights up. As you can see, they've got about 3-4 inches they can grow upwards. These are nice looking plants. Not showing any big signs of any tip burn, so I got the lights moved up pretty quick. Got a few holes in that leaf, but I don't see any bugs. I picked that one great big leaf that was here, and one other one to feed to my ancestors. And the rest of this is all a romaine, and that's probably enough Bok Choi for 1, maybe 2 meals already. But we're gonna let it keep growing because we got a long winter coming, and that's just, boy, we love Bok Choi. So it's a great vegetable that I can eat. Can't eat broccoli, I'm allergic to it, or kale, or any of the mustard greens, those things. But plain green cabbage and Bok Choi I can eat, so I grow a lot of it. This is David at Grow and Eat This. We've moved inside for a lot of stuff for the winter, and you can see it's doing really well. If you haven't thought about hydroponics, give it a try. I'm like 3 foot, a couple of shop lights. Hey folks, time to pick some of this stuff, and I just find it's easiest to do with my hands and a pair of scissors. This will be the 3rd picking. Doing back here in the back. Just not. Look at these big beautiful leaves. Oh, you just haven't had a good salad till you've had it when it's like 30-minute-old lettuce. Just incredible. Well, got a couple back here in the back I need to go get. See, there's what's come out of that a little bit. Now we're going to move over here. Go for some of this. This is a butter crunch. Looks like. Might be Great Lakes, but probably butter crunch. Got to start picking this pretty hard over here because it's getting up in the light. These like the most beautiful lettuce leaves you've ever seen. Oh. Okay, now I want to drop down. Now I want to drop down and pick some of this beautiful stuff. Boy. Just. Yeah. View her out, that's a salad right there. Just incredible. This is that Vivian romaine. Just outstanding. That's definitely enough for a couple of nights. Is that just beautiful or what? This is David to Grow and Eat This. This is the eat this part. Let me tell you, this is outstanding. Thank you for watching.